One cop said there is one constable for 7 lakh people. Delhi crime is not Suryavanshi and Simba world. Yeah. Pehle, when the Nirbhaya case happened, the second one was the Kacha Banyan gang. Abhi there is this trafficking, Baby Falak case. सबको लगता है कोई कुछ कर क्यों नहीं रहा है. So glad I get recognized by my characters. Not just one, but multiple. And when I enter an event, they start playing that song, and I'm like.
OTT and chill.
Hi guys, my name is Karan. You're watching me on Radio City, and I'm sure आप फ्रेम तो already देख चुके हैं कि मेरे साथ कौन है. I think we've been fan of her. I've been waiting ever जब से मैंने इनको देखा हुआ है. इनसे बात करनी थी, इनसे बहुत सारी बात करनी थी, और मैं इनको रेफरेंस देने वाला हूँ कि कहाँ से हम लोग इनके फैन हैं. बट एक्चुअली मेरे को ऐसा लगता है if I have to give a proper introduction, 2000 के बाद हम लोग सब देखते हैं कि मिस्टर बच्चन ने कैसे अपनी सेकेंड इनिंग्स का जो पूरा शेयर किया हुआ है विद केबीसी और विद द मूवीज. एवरीबॉडी इज एंजॉयिंग, और लोग रियली बोलते हैं कि ऑफ कोर्स बच्चन साहब जब 70s में थे, एंग्री यंग मैन थे, लेकिन उसके बाद जो उनका कमबैक हुआ है 2000 के बाद, हम लोग सब फैंस हैं. और वैसे ही मेरे को शेफाली जी का लगता है कि आई थिंक दिस सेकेंड फेज ऑफ हर लाइफ वेयर शी इज डूइंग ब्रिलियंट वर्क. इतने सारे वेब सीरीज हो, मूवीज हो, वी विल बी जस्ट एंजॉयिंग वाचिंग हर. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग.
थैंक यू.
मेरे को लगता है लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ सिमिलैरिटीज बिटवीन यू एंड बच्चन साहब.
Oh God, that is a very tall order. You can't put anyone in Amit ji's. मतलब कोई नहीं. You should not even try.
अच्छा.
Comparison ही नहीं हो सकता, try भी नहीं करना चाहिए.
नहीं, बट एक्चुअली अगर आप देखने जाए तो जब से हमने आपको देखा, आई थिंक मैं आपको थोड़ा रेफरेंस देता हूँ कहाँ से आपके हम लोग फैन हैं. मी एंड माय यंगर ब्रदर आर बिग फैन. आई डोंट नो बचपन में आपने ये गेम सुना होगा कि नहीं. वर्ड्स लिखने होते हैं और गेस करना होता है. Vowels लिखते हैं, then people have to guess. हाँ. My brother and me are such a big fan. ऐसा 2-3 एक्टर्स का नाम लिखने के बाद तीसरा आपका ही नाम होता है.
So sweet. Thank you.
We've been loving you because मम्मी के साथ हम लोग शो देखते थे. So हम लोग वो भी सारी बात करेंगे, लेकिन let's talk about first Delhi Crime. Season 1 जब आया था, क्या आप लोग ने कभी एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि इतना ये कल्ट हो जाएगा, इतने सारे लोग फॉलो करेंगे? एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वॉच्ड शो है. सारे जब सीजन्स आते हैं, सेकंड आता है, सब लोग कंपेयर करते हैं, यार ये फर्स्ट बेटर था. बट मेरे को लगता नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. सीजन 3 के साथ भी बज इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. पीपल आर वांटिंग टू सी यू एज डीसीपी वर्तिका.
थैंक यू. जब पहला सीजन किया था, बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं, मतलब ये भी नहीं पता था ये कहाँ दिखेगा शो.
ओह अच्छा.
नेटफ्लिक्स केम ऑन बोर्ड लेटर.
अच्छा, पहले शूट हो गया था.
शूट हो गया था. इट वाज अ टीम ऑफ पीपल हु जस्ट बिलीव्ड इन इट एंड सेड ये करना ही है, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. सो बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा था इस शो का कहाँ होगा, क्या होगा. एंड देन इट जस्ट ब्लू. एंड वन इज पॉपुलर एंड वन इज द रिस्पेक्ट इट गार्नर्ड. Vartika became larger than life. She became like an iconic. Madam Sir became very big. I remember मुझे पहली बार ये तब realize हुआ जब DC के बाद मैं हाईवे पे जा रही थी and I saw a big hoarding which said Madam Sir. There was a cereal that somebody was making which was called Madam Sir. I was like, whoa, that is so cool. And उसके बाद जब season 2, when it was announced, the excitement around it. So that was like, oh, okay. And then when the first teaser dropped, the response was Madam Sir's back. I realized, oh God, this has become too big. And पहले सीजन के बाद ही I realized these are very big shoes to fill.
तो एज एन एक्टर कभी डराता है ये आपको जब आप नया सीजन कर रहे होते हो?
All the time.
यार इतना टॉल हो गया ये शो, ये कैरेक्टर.
और मैं बोल रही हूँ करण, it's not just about Delhi crime or it's not just about a character which has become so popular. It's about me as an actor. मैं कोई भी सेट पे जाती हूँ, मैं बहुत डरती हूँ. बहुत. कि मुझे
इतना तो
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मुझे नहीं आएगा.
डायरेक्टर
एक्शन बोले नो आई एम जेन्युइनली टेलिंग यू. या I don't have a instruction manual ना. ये तो है नहीं कि oh there ना in this scene I will use expression 33. वैसा तो है नहीं. It's instinct. Every scene, every role, every moment is expecting something out of you. And Vartika, even though she's consistent, but you can't be consistent to a point of being boring.
True.
She has to be unpredictable also in her own way, but her core is right there. So I'm anyway, every time I go on set, I'm scared.
अच्छा, तो कैसे डर भगाती है हम अपना फिर?
कुछ नहीं. I think first day तो I get nausea and vomiting and all that stuff. And then I'm like, I don't want to go to set. वो सब होता है. And then after 2-3 days I settle into it. फिर वो ख्याल नहीं आता.
अच्छा.
Then it's just like you're in the flow. You're Vartika. or you're Shailaja, or you're just the person that you're playing. So it just goes into a space. Again, I think that is my strength. क्योंकि जिस दिन मुझे लगेगा कि मुझे आ गया है तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी.
लेकिन what is the exciting thing about Vartika's world? जब आप आती हैं तीसरी बार, you are as excited as you were when you entered for the first time. क्या आपको अच्छा लगता है इस दुनिया में?
Karan, आपने जैसे बोला, it's given me a lot. One is I got this part, and which for me or for actors like us, we would have thought that we'll just land up playing nothing central or not even a parallel lead. You're just a part, like a chotu, like I can't explain it. And then you're not conventionally beautiful. You're not like thin, fair at all. वो सब नहीं है. And then you're at an age which is not 20. So you're thinking, अब तो खत्म हो गया ना, अब क्या होगा? And sadly in our industry.
सही बात है.
But then something like this happens, which puts you, as headlining a show, maintaining the authenticity of you as a person at your age, etc., which is commendable. And then it becomes this big. And like I said earlier, it's not just big, it's so respected and reputed. It's one of the finest shows that's come out of India.
Absolutely. So,
it's given me a lot, and it's very personal to me. It's just like, and she's very, very dear to, like, I can't tell you, I can't explain it. So whenever DC is coming, it's like, oh my God, here we are. Jab trailer launch jab tha, I was in the backstage and I saw that, they announced it, and we are back. Like, how they start, we are back with Delhi Crime, and then they invite people on stage. And I was standing backstage and I was watching it on that monitor and I couldn't stop crying. Because I was like, oh my God, this is what we work for. It's like my baby. So I cannot explain. I mean, I don't need to. This is where it comes from. This is where it's like the excitement comes from.
तो आप जो बात करी ना, that is the reason I'm drawing parallels between you and बच्चन साहब. बच्चन साहब अपने सेकंड हाफ के करियर में इतनी सारे जो प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं, मतलब you don't expect कि ऐसे सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स वो करेंगे या ऐसे सारे रोल लिखे जाएंगे और मूवीज बनेगी, where he's headlining and doing it so beautifully. वो एक्टर तो इतने अच्छे हैं. And I think same with you as well.
Thank you.
कहीं ना कहीं underutilized थी. Now with this stream of OTT जो लोग लिख रहे हैं, people are considering, and I'm so happy. आप जैसे एक्टर्स जब आते हैं, अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं, we get to see something more.
Thank you.
So that is the reason I was drawing this parallel. Now I think you will agree a little bit.
No, still, there's nobody like Abhijit.
But मैं जब हुमा कुरैशी से बात कर रहा था, she is playing one of the most important role in this season as well. तो महारानी की हम लोग जब बात कर रहे थे, उसने मेरे को बताया था कि जब वो महारानी के सेकंड सीजन कर रही थी, थर्ड सीजन कर रही थी, she made sure कि वो सेम होटल में रुके, सेम रूम में रुके, so that she gets adjusted to the world of महारानी, उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा अच्छा लगे. What were you doing? ये शूट कहाँ हुआ है?
The first season we shot entirely in Delhi. The second season we shot partly in Delhi, partly in Bombay. This season we've shot Bombay, Delhi, Rohtak, Junjunu, shot all over. So I don't have any such thing. But yeah, एक thing है which happens on every project. Whichever hotel room I go to, I make it my home.
अच्छा, सब अपना घर से ले जाती हैं सारा?
नहीं, मतलब like it just becomes the first thing. I remember हम लोग इलाहाबाद गए थे. We were shooting for Dr. G. And airport पे उतरते ही, while we were driving on the rasta, I saw this lady selling matkas. So I bought a matka because I said, इसमें रोज हम flowers डालेंगे. So it's like that.
अच्छा.
There are flowers, my candles. It's just, it has to be like a home. I'll carry my books, everything, my candles, my incense oil or whatever. It feels like home. Because I have to go back there every day. When you're doing such unsettling work, even if it's not Vartika, even if it's not crime, anything, you are living in an unpredictable place. No? Today you don't know where you are. Tomorrow you don't know where you are. You need to make that place your home. So that is there, but not particularly for. मतलब कोशिश करूँ तो भी नहीं हो सकता. Because we are all over. And a hotel room cannot define the way Vartika lives. So it's pointless.
Okay. तो आप कुछ रेफरेंस देखती हैं एक दो एपिसोड, या जो डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर बोले वैसे ही you operate the moment?
No. So
third time you're repeating the character.
No. So luckily आज के ज़माने में people understand that the director is not a Hitler, and the director also understands कि you're not just getting an actor, you're getting a collaborator. Where director say मैंने तो लिख लिया, now it's yours. Now you create her. So वो very clearly है. So it never works single-handedly. And I am not somebody who will be like ये करो और मैं वही करूँ.
बट आप थोड़ा अपना वर्तिका का सीजन 1 का कुछ देख लिया, 2 का कुछ देख लिया, just to understand कि यार ऐसे सिचुएशन में ये ऐसा रिएक्ट करती है, तो मे बी just that.
No, because every situation, every moment, every case is going to bring something else out in her.
True.
But her moral compass is very strong.
Okay.
उसकी जो base qualities है वो change नहीं होंगी.
Okay.
You know, she is very what do you call it? Virtuous, righteous. She is obsessive, which is me also. मतलब एक लग गई तो like हाथ धो के पीछे पड़ जाएगी. Behind one thing, she is brutally honest.
Yeah.
और जो अंदर है वो चेहरे पे है. Yeah, that's who she is, and that cannot change. You know, she will vary. This season she has grown. She's coming from a background which wasn't a place she wanted to be in the first place. Season 2 में उसको निकाल दिया था. Promotion के नाम पे उसको निकाल दिया था. You know, कि तुम जाओ, तुम कहीं दूर बैठ के अपना काम करो, हमारा दिमाग मत खराब करो. She's just creating problems for all of us. So she's sent away from her team, from her family, from her place, her karma bhumi, to say so. Also DIG का job, she's got a promotion, so it's expected कि तुम टेबल के पीछे बैठ के strategize करो ना. हर चीज में जाकर मतलब नाक मत अड़ाओ. But that is not Vartika. She has to get her hands dirty. So she will not sit in one place and say अच्छा तुम लोग कर लो. So that is all about her. She's also a team player. Believes, which I do as Shefali, that I'm good as my team is.
Absolutely, and that is the reason season 1 में वो कॉफी वाला सीन मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगता है. कि वो पूरी टीम के लिए कॉफी बना रही है, to ensure कि सब जगह रहे, अच्छे से काम करें. She's taking the charge. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बॉस है तो तुम कॉफी बनाओ.
No, and also अगर आप notice करो, I don't know whether anybody notices or no, but I know this, that she knows the strength of every person. So she allocates jobs accordingly. In season 1, she knows what Neeti will bring when she is with the parents of the girl who's raped. That's why she gives it to Neeti to do and nobody else. So she knows किसकी strength क्या है और क्या किसको देना चाहिए करने के लिए. And she also understands that I'm a small part of a much bigger picture. Which is what I believe as an actor. So she doesn't need, like in season 3, you will see that there is no bravado. मैं दिखा दूंगा और गुस्सा भी है और ये ड्रामा वाला सीन. She's very focused. I have to do this. I will do this.
रोहित शेट्टी बताते हैं हमेशा कि जब भी उन्होंने कॉप यूनिवर्स बनाया है, the respect and the image of the police has changed. पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट खुद अप्रिशिएट करता है कि किस तरह से दिखाया गया है both the seasons में. What has Delhi police been saying to you? I'm sure वहां से भी कुछ अच्छे feedback female officers और just officers ने आपको दिए होंगे.
So पहले तो of course you showed a side of the police which you never get to see. पहले when the Nirbhaya case happened, the second one was a Kacha Banyan gang. अभी there is this trafficking or baby Falak case. सबको लगता है कोई कुछ कर क्यों नहीं रहा है. And then you figure अरे वो लोग कर रहे थे. When the first season I read it and I said कोई कुछ कर रहा था and it was a woman. And that it gives you immense security because okay, there is somebody who's protecting you. So I'm sure people who saw it also realized that there was a more sympathetic eye to the cops. They are also dealing, लगता है कि they have power, लेकिन उनके पास crime scene पे पहुंचने के पैसे नहीं होते. It's like that. I remember we were shooting in a cop station and one of the lady cops said that until recently we didn't have a toilet, a separate toilet for women. One cop said, she said, for days I don't go back home. उनका एक डॉम का एक कमरे में कुछ 2-4 बेड्स लगा दिए थे कि यहीं रहती हूँ, यहीं उठ के नहा धो के तैयार होके I get back on duty. So that is what happens, and I'm sure they feel seen. And Delhi Crime, of course, it's not the Suryavanshi and Simba world. They are very, very realistic. It's a very different version of cops. It's a more realistic version of cops. But I'm sure everyone feels good to know that we are portrayed in the right light. I'm not saying that there must, every field has a good and a bad. But to categorize one profession and say, wo log to, they take bribe or they do like this only, they don't work only. Suddenly you wake up and you realize, भैया बहुत काम करते हैं और बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. और अगर हम लोग, like I think there was a math, there is one constable for 7 lakh people. How is it possible? what is the resources you're giving? There are no resources that these people have. It's not easy for them.
But I'm sure इतने कमाल जब आप लोग पोर्ट्रे करते हैं पूरा दिल्ली पुलिस से अच्छा फीडबैक तो आता ही होगा. What is wearing the वर्दी like? First time जब आप डीसीपी की वर्दी
Oh my God, I walk taller.
है ना?
Suddenly it's like my whole body language changes the moment I wear. Actually, not just the vardi. When I get into Vartika mode, my entire body language changes. But the uniform is something else. And ये तो आपको जिसने भी पहना है ना वो बोलेगा.
मैंने भी अपने फ्रेंड का पहना हुआ इसके लिए.
It's like pride. It's pride and it's just I walk taller.
Wow. You know what is the one most amazing part about your acting? मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आप अपने eyes से, because I've seen you use your eyes so well. कभी मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा कौन से शो में, मैं एक्चुअली पूरा रास्ता याद कर रहा था कौन से शो में. there is one नटखट वाला eyes you have shown, फिर गुस्से वाला भी आपका है. You use your eyes so nicely. मतलब आपके eyes इतने बड़े और अच्छे हैं. So do you think it's an add-on asset do you have which मतलब unintentionally होता है कि you just do it?
Well, मतलब अगर if I've got big eyes, I have to thank my genes for it and my parents for it. But I genuinely feel that whatever you feel, you can keep a straight face, but it will show in your eyes. So when I'm doing a moment, if I feel it, you'll see it.
Okay.
It's as simple as that.
Okay.
And I feel we have the privilege of a camera, which catches the smallest of nuance. Then if you can say something in 2 words, don't use 4.
Yeah.
And if you can say something without any words, don't use words. Anyway, silence is the universal language.
Yeah. जब हम लोग बड़े हो रहे थे, सपने में मिलती है was the thing. Now Delhi crime, ये सब image change हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है. But क्या introduction में और recognition में people what do people remember शेफाली about? हसरतें का याद करते हैं या सपने में मिलती बोलते हैं या वर्दी का?
Luckily, they recognize me for the characters. And there isn't one that, because it would become very difficult if suddenly you're only known as that character and then there is everything stop. Then where's the growth? Right? They remember Shailaja from 3 of Us. They remember Riya from Monsoon Wedding. Obviously remember Vartika. They remember Neelam Mehra and the cake eating scene from Dil Dhadakne Do. You know, so there are all these beautiful characters, flawed, broken, everything. But there are these amazing characters and I'm so glad I get recognized by my characters. Not just one, but multiple.
But this सपने में मिलती है forever attached रहने वाला आपके लाइफ के साथ. जब जो आपकी बात करेंगे ये तो टॉप ऑफ द माइंड आता ही है. कहाँ रिक्वेस्ट किया आप लोगों ने कि मैम
हर जगह डांस
करके बताओ ये
हर जगह. And when I enter an event ना they start playing that song and I'm like मत करो यार, मत करो, हो गया अभी. But you know, somebody told me a very interesting thing. They said the 3 top songs of every wedding
सही बात actually
are yours. I said हैं सपने में मिलती है, गला गुड़िया and आज मेरा जी करदा from Monsoon Wedding. I was like, that's interesting.
Wow, actually third वाला मैंने notice नहीं किया अब तक.
And what a song that is, Sukhvinder and what a song that is. That's one of my favorite songs of all time.
अब third वाला मैं ज़्यादा notice करने लगूंगा. Comment करके बताइए आपका कौन सा है favorite. यार हम लोग है ना बहुत सारी चीज़ अभी यहाँ पर photos में डालने वाले हैं because मैं waiting room में wait कर रहा था तब मैंने एक painting देखी उसमें date लिखा था 7th I think जुलाई का मंथ है और 2018 तो वो वाली पेंटिंग ऐसे बिल्डिंग्स की है. कहाँ बनाई है आपने? वो वाले रूम में?
हाँ
बाहर वाले. तो आपका पेंटिंग का शौक कहाँ से है? बिकॉज मैं बहुत सारी पेंटिंग देख रहा हूँ एंड इट इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, इतनी अमेजिंग, इतना बड़ा बड़ा एक तो आपने बनाया हुआ है विद कलर्स एंड एवरीथिंग.
Thank you. There was a whole long patch where I didn't have work. Like I believe my career has been more about waiting than actually working. And I was frustrated. Every creative person needs an outlet. So I said I'm going to go and study art.
Okay.
And I went to this art school. I was there for 3 months and I started painting. And then I got obsessive about it. So like I was constantly doing that. So ये सब तब बनाया हुआ है. And I love perspective drawing. I really like it. So when you see a lot of the work, it's, you know, it's like there are many layers into it. So I love that.
अभी भी टाइम मिलता है आपको पेंट करने का?
टाइम अगर निकालना हो तो मिल जाएगा, लेकिन I think I failed as an artist, so I left it.
क्यों जी भी इतना अच्छा बनाया आपने?
Because you know it's like, you know, if until other people don't buy it or validate it, you feel.
तो एग्जीबिशन लगाया जाए फिर इसका?
एक लगाया था, कोई नहीं आया.
अभी आप ज्यादा लगाएंगे अब लोग आएंगे देखेंगे अभी एक और होना चाहिए, आई थिंक इसका सीजन 2 होना चाहिए, कम बैक वाला। बट यू नो बिकॉज आप जो बोल रही है आजकल है ना, बहुत सारे लोग थोड़ा मोटिवेशन ढूंढते हैं, इंस्पिरेशन ढूंढते हैं, सबकी लाइफ में ना ऊपर नीचे चल रहा है। एज यू मेंशन वेटिंग गेम था, काम नहीं था, ये नहीं था, व्हाट वाज दैट वन थिंग जो आप अपने आप को बोल रही थी और आप यू गोइंग विद द फ्लो, वेटिंग, ठीक है आना होगा तब आएगा, नहीं आना तो कुछ और करेंगे। बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग के लाइफ में हार्डशिप्स चल रही है। So if you want to say something for people जो आपने follow किया, ऐसे जरूरी नहीं सबकी journey same है, but still.
Yeah, and you'll just have to figure your own way.
Yeah.
Because there was a long time when I was very depressing and demotivating. मतलब लोग मिलते थे and they'll be like, what a performance, one of the finest actors. But then what? It was not translating into work. So it was very demotivating. Then at a point of time, I realized that the kind of work I want to do will not come every day. I was also being very selective and it was my choice. So I had to, I came to terms with it. So I would do one project in a year or one project in 2 years, if something. But at least I can proudly say that I'm very proud of all the films or projects I've been associated with. I don't think there is anything I feel nahi karna chahiye tha.
तो लर्निंग क्या रही है आपकी, खुद को क्या बोल क्या रही थी आप?
I don't know. I was just going through it. But yeah, I don't know.
But उस phase में there was a lot of anxiety as well.
Of course, yes. I mean, all of us get it. And our career is so unpredictable.
100%.
So you're like, you feel like, क्या होने वाला है? What is going to happen? I want to do this, but it's not happening. Like I remember my sons used to say, if you wanted, you could work every single day and you could make a lot of money. And you will be like, a star in your own way. Bhale it was just playing mothers or whatever. You are saying, or you are choosing not to do. And I realized, but because I love what I do, and until I'm totally blown by a script, I won't say yes, because फिर मैं वहाँ जाकर I will not be able to give my 100%.
फिर घर आके crib करना
it will be unfair to me and it will be unfair to the director and producers. I will work half-heartedly. It doesn't work like that. But luckily with Delhi Crime, what happened is better roles, better parts started coming, better projects started coming.
Lastly, जब first time Delhi Crime आपके husband ने या बच्चों ने जब देखा, what was their first reaction?
I think they loved it.
कुछ तो बोला होगा विपुल भाई ने, because I know वो थोड़ा मस्ती में कुछ बोलते हैं.
The best compliments I have ever received is something my son said to me. He said, Mom, you are like Iron Man. I said, why? So he said, every superhero has been reprised by various actors.
Wow.
Iron Man is the only one that has been done by Robert Downey Jr.
True.
You are Iron Man. No one can be Madam Sir.
Absolutely. ये बात हम लोग 100% एग्री करेंगे. इनके अलावा मैडम सर कोई बन भी नहीं सकते और किसी को देखना भी नहीं है. Super excited to see Delhi Crime Season 3 and I'm sure आप भी हैं. तो do let her know in her comment feed कि आपको ये शो कैसा लगा. And for more interviews, keep following us on Radio City India.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Radio City. Radio City. Radio City. रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.